Today I'm going to show you how to do a transformer round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into a transformer round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your cartwheel hook down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So a transformer round is basically, again, just how it sounds. It's like the cartwheel hook, so it's a transformer with a round kick at the end of it. So when you do this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, looking at the ground in front of you. You're going to reach down with your outside hand and kick the opposite leg up and to the side. Then you're going to put your other hand down and kick your other leg up and get that other leg ready to throw the round kick. And then finish the move landing in a backside stance. Now you can also do this move with a follow through at the end. You can also do a spin in the beginning, or you can do a spin and follow through together. Here are some tips. Make sure that you spot your kick when you throw your round kick. So you don't want to be looking at the ground and throw your round kick. You want to try your best to look at your target when you throw your round kick. Also, make sure that you're lifting up your hand very quickly so you can actually get that round kick out. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard and feel very awkward when you throw the round kick. Also, if you want to work on a prerequisite for this move, you can go ahead and click on the tutorial right there, and that will kind of help you out with this if this does feel a little too awkward. Let's check those out one more time. So that is it for today's tutorial. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you would like to become a patron for whatever reason, feel free to visit patreon.com/upraiztricking to help me out, help this curriculum out, and help everybody else out who doesn't like when I leave for 3 months. All right, I should probably stop talking about that and just move on now. Next, we'll be learning a pop cartwheel hook, and it'll be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated. Just kidding. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.